When patients lose dentures, sadly all the time, nursing homes, hospitals, the dog, the cruise ship, the fishing expedition, it happens all the time. Sadly, in the old world, that was 7 appointments and trying to recreate what they had previously, and we had no hope of getting back to what they had previously. But we could make a good denture, but it wasn't likely to be the same. Now, we open up the AvaDent dashboard, we put in an order for a replacement denture, takes us 5 minutes. 2 to 3 days later, we have a denture in-house ready to deliver to that patient. That's an exact duplicate of the AvaDent denture we made for them 3 years ago. I did this for a patient that I had done in 2015. 8-year-old denture. I got the duplicate in 2 days. It was phenomenal. That's priceless. And frankly, it can be productive. You know, when we're able to deliver a denture with no chair time, and there is obviously a fee for that, and you know, patients do not complain about getting a brand new denture 8 years later that matches exactly what they had with 0 chair time.